So today we are back with today we will learn SVG, which is stands for Scalable Vector Graphics. So that is one of the performer how to draw graphics on HTML web page. So you might have seen some of the icons which are drawn using SVG. I'm not sure how many of you have seen because this is used very less only in such websites where graphic use more. Other rest apart from done with images and CSS. So we learned how to draw graphics using HTML canvas as well as SVG. So this is not a canvas tutorial. For canvas tutorial, you can go to our playlist and you can check canvas tutorial. But this is a SVG introduction tutorial where we'll teach basic SVG to you. So it works with the XML format and it has certain elements. If you are familiar with HTML, you would know that HTML has attributes similar to that as HTML is also part of XML, which stands for extensible markup language. SVG is also a part of the same format, the XML format, and has the same elements as well as attribute, the same kind of styles, and also inline CSS. We can apply inline CSS to the SVG elements as well. And if you are advanced web developer, you can also apply JavaScript to SVG and you can make animation using it. Many of the web developers use the technique of using JavaScript or jQuery with SVG to make animation out of it. So in this tutorial, in this particular first video, I will just teach you how to make a basic circle, but that is not the motive of this video. This is just an introduction video how SVG is. So as you can see, I have already have the HTML code in front of me as an SVG example. So as we are familiar, HTML document starts with HTML and we draw in the body segment because a canvas can only represent in a body segment. We cannot draw it in the other segment of the HTML document. So for any SVG element, we have to start by starting a SVG. First of all, we have to set the canvas ready. As suppose if you are drawing on a real canvas, so you have to keep the canvas ready on a board so that you can draw. Similar to that, we have a canvas for HTML as well. We have to set the canvas by typing in SVG. In case if you're using SVG vector graphics, if you're using the real graphics of canvas, you can use a canvas as well. Here we'll go with SVG. And you also have to let the browser know what would be the size of the canvas using the width and the height property. So width, as you can see, I have applied a width of 100 pixels and a height of 100 pixels. So my canvas is a square of width 100 and height 100 pixels. So just a quick introduction. In order to draw a circle, we have to use the element circle embedded within the SVG. And you can see the CX stand for center, C stand for center, and X is the coordinate of the circle. So we have X comma Y coordinate for a circle. As you know, circle is a 2D element. So we have X comma Y coordinates. If you're not good with maths, please go and check some textbook regarding circles because it has XY coordinate which is called a center. So we have defined center here as a 50-50. That means 50 pixels to the left and 50 pixels from the bottom is where our center would lie and we would be drawing the circle. And we have given a radius of 40. So with 40 pixels we would be able to draw a circle. So it will start from 50-50 and it will draw with a radius of 40, and we will be getting a circle which is of green color, which has an outstroke of green and a fill of yellow. That is, the circle would look yellow to you but would have a border around it of green, and the stroke width defines the thickness of the border. So the thickness of the border is 4. So we'll start with this. This is just a basic example. However, we will discuss circle in a more detailed way in our further videos. So we'll just try this code and see what happens. We are still waiting. I'm so sorry, my computer is a bit slow, but do not worry, it will run. Okay, so as you can see, this is a circle, and we have a circle which is 50 pixels. 40 pixels in radius, and it has a yellow fill with green stroke with stroke 4. So if you like this video, if you want to learn further about graphics, please subscribe to our video channel, and we would be able to teach you much more about this. Not only SVG, we have a lot of things to teach you in technical. You can scroll through the playlist and other videos as well. Please like, comment and subscribe, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.